Hello guys, morning, ladies and gentlemen. This beautiful Discovery 5 HSE, top of the range, just come in. It's a 2018 model. It has got 130,000 kilometers, full service history. This is the first time I have laid eyes on this car. So now I'm going to take you through our recon process and we're going to see what we do and how pedantic we are. So when we do our reconditioning process, we look at three things. We look at exterior, interior, and mechanical. So first things we do is we look at the bonnet. I can see there's lots of little stone chips. Letters are good. Front grille is good. Front bumper will need to be done. It has got scratches here through the paintwork. The bottom here is covered in bug stains, but we'll have to redo that as well. The reason I'm showing you all of this is because you must think, wow, these guys paint a lot of cars. These cars are so damaged before we buy them. They're not. I just want to put out the best possible product available. Our cars have to be the best, look the best, our service has to be the best, our sales has to be the best, our marketing has to be the best, and if it's not, it's time to kick some ass. So let's go through this. We possibly do the bonnet, we're going to possibly do the front bumper. Luckily this customer, before we bought it, spent 27,000 Rand on 4 brand new tires. These tires obviously aren't cheap because they are 22 inches. Quite expensive. Here's a rim scuff. Other than that, this is all right, but we'll have to redo this rim. We don't have to do tires. This door here, it's 1 or 2 chips. So I'm not going to paint the door for these little things. These can be touched up, and obviously this car hasn't been valeted or polished or anything yet. So most of this will actually come out. Because you can see it's owned by a lady or a man that's married with the ring. That is always the case. Let's have a look. Back door, same story, tiny chips. Those we will just touch up. I don't like painting original paintwork. This car's never seen any previous paintwork before. So I'm not going to go paint a door for such a tiny, tiny mark. I can see that it needs a very good polish. Back here is good, nothing wrong. Letters perfect. Beautiful interior, all tools still intact. You won't believe how many times people lose their jacks and their parcel trays. I mean, these things, wow. You want to buy one for a Q7, it's 17,000 Rand from Audi. We'll have to polish that and see what it comes out like. This door, perfect. We'll have to do these side sills. It's covered in road rash here. We will redo the whole side sill, both sides, black. Rim here, we have to redo the rims. These are diamond cut rims. They are not cheap to redo. Interior is good. Let's have a look at the interior here. This is usually the places that we have to redo from getting in and out. This one is still good. Some nice quality valet and leather care, it will bring it back to life. Interior, perfect. We've checked all the sunroofs, we've checked the aircon, we've taken it for a drive, it's mechanically perfect. We have a workshop in the back that does a full 110-point check as the car comes in. From here, the car goes to Decra. From Decra, it will go to another workshop. We have 3 people that go through our vehicles from top to bottom. Let's have a look at the back. These mats are a bit scratched, the rubber mats. I like to put new mats in the cars, but let's see what comes out after they finish. These are also a nice extra, the aftermarket heavy-duty Land Rover rubber mats. But out of 10, without us doing anything, I would say this car sits at a 7.5 for now. I will show you what it looks like once we're done with everything. It looks like a different car. Let me show you why I bought it. Those are my favorite. the digital clocks. This is such a nice extra from Land Rover. The digital clocks and the sport bumpers and everything. You don't see it on a lot of them. They're quite hard to find, and that is exactly why I bought it. Besides the condition, wait till we're done with it. I promise you now, this Discovery is absolutely beautiful now. Wait till we're done. Gonna be the hottest Discovery in South Africa. That's it. So if you want 2018, 130,000 kilometers, 3-litre diesel, top of the range, HSE spec, digital clocks, sport kits, we're selling it for $749. Cheers guys, thank you.